Do you ever look at something and think, I could never do that? I know I have, especially with art. But this year, I decided to stop just wondering and admiring from the sidelines and actually dive in. I've been challenging myself to try every art project that's ever made me curious, and cross stitch has been on my list for way too long. A few weeks ago, I had a chance to visit Mexico City, and I was completely mesmerized by all the textile work. The colors, the details, the history stitched into almost everything. So when I found out there was an embroidery class nearby, I had to take it. And I absolutely loved it. There was something so calming about watching a design slowly appear with every stitch. At the end of the class, my instructor suggested I try cross stitch too. And honestly, it felt like she was reading my mind. I've admired cross stitch for years, but always thought it was way too intricate for me. But now, why not really find out? This time though, no pressure to be perfect. I just want to see if it clicks. If it is as satisfying as embroidery was. Something fun I could actually finish and maybe even display instead of hiding it in my closet with my other artistic attempts. First, I have to pick a pattern, which takes me straight into the internet rabbit hole. Landscapes that would take a lifetime, an adorable dog with 20 shades of brown, flowers so detailed that make me question my eyesight, and apparently, some people cross-stitch the Mona Lisa for fun. Who are these people? Then, I make the mistake of visiting the craft store. Aisles feel like a candy shop. You just want everything, but in reality, can't have it. Three perfect little macarons. Simple enough that I won't lose my mind, but fancy enough that people might actually think I know what I'm doing. And that's when I knew this was the one. Within 5 minutes, I'm already confused. Why isn't the picture of what I'm stitching on the fabric? Am I missing something? In my opinion, this feels way more intermediate than beginner. Okay, fine. I can do this. Just count the squares. Matter of fact, I'll just sketch the pattern on. Good thing I did that drawing challenge a few months ago because past me would not have trusted myself to freehand this. So, we're off to a great start. And just like that, the outline is done. Okay, this is actually looking pretty good. A new day means a new focus. Now it's time to fill in the colors. And once I finally get going, I realize the thing about repetitive stitches is they leave my brain completely understimulated. Up diagonal, down diagonal. And my brain is like, okay, what else we got? Entertainment, please. So I grabbed the book I've been reading because I'm dying to know what happens next. Except trying to cross-stitch while reading is like trying to pat your head, rub your belly, and solve calculus all at the same time. It's a total disaster. At this point, I'm regretting not getting the audiobook version, so I need to just take a little break and regroup. But as I'm sitting here reading, I realize I have to find a way to make both work. So I do what any reasonable person in the 21st century does. And suddenly, I'm locked in. The narrator is telling me this incredible story while my hands are creating these perfect little stitches, and it's like I've found the perfect balance. Hours are flying by without me even noticing. Before I know it, the pink macaron is done. And finally, it's all done. Now, I need to figure out where to put this. The developing gallery wall or the kitchen? The gallery wall it is. I went into this thinking cross-stitch was just making little X's on fabric, but it's so much more than that. It's therapeutic, it's creative, it's surprisingly addictive once you find your rhythm. I may have already bought another one too. So yeah, I think it's safe to say I'm a little obsessed. If there's something you've been curious about, but keep telling yourself you can never do, maybe it's time to stop wandering from the sidelines and just dive in. You might actually surprise yourself.